What if I told you the next business on this list could make you more money than a traditional 9-to-5 job? And the craziest part? Most people are ignoring these opportunities while they're still wide open. If you're serious about building real wealth, don't skip a single business, because number 10 could completely change your future. Business number 6. AI automation services. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing every job. It's creating brand new businesses. Today, thousands of companies waste hours doing repetitive tasks, replying to customers, organizing data, scheduling appointments, writing emails, and following up with leads. That's where AI automation comes in. You can build simple automation systems using tools like ChatGPT, Make, Zapier, or N8N to save businesses time and money. Imagine creating an AI chatbot that answers customer questions 24/7, or an automated system that sends emails, updates spreadsheets, and books meetings without human involvement. Businesses love automation because it reduces costs and increases productivity. The best part? You don't need to become a programming expert. Many successful automation agencies started with no coding experience and now charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars per project. As AI becomes more popular, the demand for automation experts will continue to grow. Business number 7. Cleaning business. A cleaning business may sound simple, but it can become one of the most profitable service businesses. Every office, apartment, hotel, restaurant, hospital, and commercial building needs cleaning regularly. And unlike many industries, customers don't buy this service once. They need it every week or every month. That means recurring income. You can start with basic equipment, deliver excellent service, hire more staff as demand grows, and eventually manage multiple teams working across your city. Many cleaning companies grow from one person with a few supplies into businesses generating 6 or even 7 figures annually. Simple business, massive opportunity. Business number 8. Graphic design. Every brand needs visuals. Logos, social media posts, advertisements, packaging, thumbnails, presentations. Without graphic design, businesses struggle to attract customers. If you learn tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, or Figma, you can start freelancing from anywhere in the world. As your experience grows, you can build your own design agency, hire designers, and work with international clients who pay much higher rates than local businesses. Design is one of those skills that will always be needed because every new business needs branding. Business number 9. Digital marketing. Even the best product won't sell if nobody knows it exists. That's why digital marketing has become one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Businesses constantly need experts who can run Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, email marketing, content marketing, and social media campaigns. Your job is simple. Help businesses get more customers. When companies make more money because of your marketing, they're happy to keep paying you every month. This creates long-term clients and predictable recurring income. And since every industry needs marketing, you'll never run out of potential customers. Business number 10. Web design and development. Today, if a business doesn't have a website, many customers don't even trust it. A website is like a digital storefront that's open 24 hours a day. Companies need websites to generate leads, sell products, book appointments, and build credibility. Whether you design websites with WordPress or build custom websites using coding skills, businesses are willing to pay premium prices for professional work. Once you become experienced, you can offer website maintenance, hosting, SEO, and other monthly services, turning one project into recurring monthly income. This is one of the highest demand digital businesses you can build today. These were businesses number 6 through 10. Which one would you start today? Let me know in the comments. And if you don't want to miss the remaining businesses on this list, subscribe now, turn on notifications, and start building your future today.